Recording in progress.
Hi everybody, good morning. Am I audible? Yes, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay. So in today class, we are going to discuss about SLAs. Okay, SLA. So SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. OLA stands for Operation Level Agreement. UC stands for underpinning contract. There are three types of SLAs. So first of all, we can learn the SLA definition. Okay, fine. So if any project comes to our organization, if any project comes to our organization and that client will make one agreement, that is SLA. Agreement between customer and provider is called SLA. Okay. So in the SLA, we'll discuss about many things. So within how much time we have to complete this project. So if we get any issues, how the support we will get from the company. So all these details we will discuss with SLA. Okay, first of all, I'm going with SLA definition here. So you can see an SLA definition is used to create and progress SLA, enabling you to use an SLA system for your organization status. An SLA definition record defines the timings, conditions, workflows, and other information required to create and progress task SLAs. Okay, so I'm writing this definition first of all. I'm also copying this one. Okay. So you can see an SLA definition is used to create and progress SLA, enabling you to use an SLA system for your organization task. Okay. An SLA definition record defines the timings, conditions, workflows, and other information required to create and progress task SLAs. Okay. So within the SLA, we will mention timings, conditions, workflows, and other information required for completing the project. Okay. Yes. So navigation. So here you can type SLA. Under service level management, we have SLA definition. Under service level management, we have SLA definition. Now, service level management have SLA definition. DFIN. Okay, fine. So table name is contract underscore SLA. I hope contract underscore SLA. Okay, table name is contract underscore SLA. SLA definition. Table name is contract underscore SLA. Next, task SLA. Task SLA table name is task underscore SLA. Okay. So where you will see this task SLA, if you go to the instant table or any other tables, you will see the task SLA. Task underscore SLA tab list. You can see these all are the task SLAs. These all are the task SLAs. Okay. Task underscore SLA. Okay. So I'm opening one existing SLA. So if we go to the SLA definitions here, so priority 1, we have an SLA, priority 2, we have an SLA, priority 3, 4, 5. So for every priority, we have SLA. There are 2 targets of SLAs we have. So response SLA and resolution SLA. Okay. So for example, I'm opening priority 1 resolution SLA, for example. Okay. So you can see how it looks like the form. Types of SLA. There are 3 types of SLA. Okay. Types of SLA. There are 3 types of SLA. So we'll note down. Types of SLA. First one is SLA. Second one is OLA. Third one is UC. Okay. Yes. SLA stands for service level agreement. OLA stands for operational level agreement. UC stands for underpinning contract. Okay. Yes. There are 3 types of SLA. SLA stands for service level agreement. OLA stands for operational level agreement. UC stands for underpinning contract. Yes. What is SLA? So whenever we get one project to our organization, for example, so for example, we have SBI Bank. We have SBI Bank, for example. They require some application, banking related application. Okay, they require some banking related application. They come to some companies, service-based companies, for example, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, like that. So, as for example, SBI Bank came to Cognizant and they asked for banking application. Okay. Yes. Whenever this project came to Cognizant and that SBI Bank will write one agreement that should be called as SLA. Agreement between consumer and provider. Agreement between consumer and provider. We are calling as SLA. Okay. Within that SLA, they will mention timings, what are the terms and conditions, workflows, and other project related information they will mention. Okay. So what kind of database we have to use for that banking application. So within how much time we have to complete it. All these details they will mention. Okay. Yes. Next, OLA. Yes, SLA is completed. Okay. For example, the banking application we have to complete within the Java technology, within some Java language or technology. Okay. Then immediately within the Cognizant, we'll write a agreement with that Java team, Java technology team. Okay. They will write an agreement within the organization with that Java technology team. Okay. Yes. This agreement should be calling as OLA. Okay. Yes. For example, yes, we got one new project to our organization. Yes. So agreement between our organization and that bank as completed. Even agreement between so our organization and our team, Java technology team, agreement also completed. Then for starting of this project, we require few devices, applications, few softwares, right? Yes. Maybe we require 10 laptops, maybe we require one projector, maybe we required some Eclipse editor, Eclipse editor. Okay, all these they will get from outside. All these they will get from outside. So here our organization will write the agreement between our organization and third party vendor. We are calling as underpinning contract. Everybody got it, 3 SLS. So I will note down these points also. Yeah, 1 minute. SLA agreement between and provider. Okay. OLA. Wait. So agreement between our organization and internal team. Okay. So you see agreement between
company and third party.
the third party vendor. Okay. So here you can see, so you can also write organization and client. Okay. Got it, everybody? Yes, everybody got it. These three terminologies. Yes. Next, there are two types of targets, resolution and response. There are two types of targets in SLA. Response Second one is resolution. Response and resolution. Yes. For example,
Anji,
yes, tell me.
can you give an example for UC? I mean, third-party vendor.
Yes. Agreement between our organization and third-party vendor. Yes, one project is came to our organization. Our organization and client done with the SLA agreement. Okay. Then after our organization done the agreement between our internal team. Okay, whoever required to complete that application, whoever required to fulfill the client's requirement, our organization done the OLA within the internal team. Then after for starting of that project, we require something from outside. For example, guys, if you join in the organization, okay. So if you join in the organization, they don't have the stock to provide laptop for you, right? They don't have stock, so they will not maintain any stock. So they will get laptop for you from some third-party vendors. Okay, got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
They will write the agreement between some third-party vendors. Okay, like maybe some softwares, maybe some applications, some devices. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, fine. So next, got it? You see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, targets in SLA. There are two targets: response SLA and resolution SLA. Okay, fine. For example, one incident is created. Okay, one incident is created, and it is assigned to our group. One incident is created. So within how much time we have to respond for that incident? Within how much time we have to respond for that particular incident will tell us response SLA. Okay, for example, somebody raised P1 incident. Yes, if it is a P1 incident, within 15 minutes we have to respond for that particular incident. Okay, that is response SLA. Resolution SLA. For example, resolution SLA will tell us within how much time we have to complete that particular incident. Got it, everybody?
Yes, Anji.
Yeah.
Okay. So one ticket, whenever one ticket is created, so response SLA will tell us within how much time we have to respond for that particular ticket. So resolution SLA will tell us within how much time we have to complete it. Okay. Yes. Next. Conditions in SLA: start condition, pause condition, stop condition, and reset condition. Start condition, pause condition. Next one, stop condition. Fourth one is reset condition. Okay, there are 4 types of SLA conditions we have. So start condition will tell us so when to start this SLA against the ticket. Okay, against that particular ticket. Pause condition, when we have to pause that SLA, when we have to pause that SLA. For example, one incident is assigned to you. You require some information from the caller. Then what you will do, you will keep that incident on hold state with pending user. Okay. So at that time, SLA not to work, right? So at that time, we will pause the SLA. Next, to stop SLA. When to stop SLA, we have to mention the condition. Next, to reset. When to reset SLA condition. So now you can see, for example, it is a priority 1 resolution SLA. Priority 1 resolution SLA. Okay. Start condition, when it will start. So if incident is active, and priority is 1. Priority is 1. Then immediately this priority 1 resolution SLA will start. Okay. Here you can see we have retract to start and retract to start. You can also note down about that. Can you scroll down? So you can see. So what is retract to start? For example, you have created one instance with priority 1. Okay, priority 1. So you worked for some time within that instant. You worked for some time with that instant. And after some time, you realize and you changed that instant priority to P3 maybe. Okay, then what happens? Priority 1 related SLA will come cancel and the priority 3 related SLA will start. Okay, for in between time, for calculation of in between time, so we will use the retract to start. In between calculation time, we will use the retract to start. Okay, so to choose date and time field from the task that provides the start time of the task SLA. Okay. So I'm copying up to here. This is retract to start definition. So in interviews, they will ask to choose a date and time field from the task that provides the start time of your task SLA. If we select retract to start checkbox, the set start to field and retract to fast time checkbox appear. Okay, set start to field. So what is set start to field? Offers the date and time field available on the task type, that is SLA definition applied to. Okay, example. So for example, if we select the retract to start on priority 1 SLA definition and choose created in the set start to field, then the SLA is attached with the start time, that is the date and time for the created field on the incident. Okay, this is retract to start. Next, I'm going with retract to fast. So retract to fast. So you can see. So retract to fast time checkbox enables the calculation of retract to fast time on the specific SLA definition. Specific SLA definition. For example, if we select retract to start on priority 1 SLA definition and then select the retract to fast time checkbox, the SLA that have enabled retract to start can recover prior to the fast time. Okay. For example, within the one incident is raised, you have working on that instant, maybe it is a P1 instant. Okay, you kept on hold for some time within that incident. So retract to pause will calculate that pause time. Maybe then after you change the task priority to some other P3. So whatever the time you passed within the existing SLAs, task SLAs, it will calculate. Okay, everybody got it? Retract to start and retract to fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So basically, retract to start and retract to fast will calculate the time if we are switching in between the different task SLAs. Okay. Next, you can say within the start condition what we are doing. Yes. So if it is active and priority is P1, it will automatically start the SLA. So when to pass SLA condition, if it is on hold, awaiting caller, okay, or if it is a resolved, then we will pass the SLA condition. Stop condition, if an instant state is closed, it will automatically stop the SLA. Reset condition, Okay. So if existing SLA is cancelled, if existing SLA is cancelled, then we will reset the SLA. Okay. Now I'm going to instant table. 1 minute. So, and here you can see, guys, in interviews they will also ask something like, so if it is a P1 instant, 1 minute. So these all are on instant table only. So matching. Maybe resolution. So matching. Okay, fine. Okay. So for example, in interviews, they will ask one question. If it is a P1 instant, how much time you have, within how much time you have to resolve the ticket? Tell me, guys, if it is a P1, so we have to resolve that instant within 1 hour. If it is a P2 instant, we have to resolve that instant within 8 hours. If it is a P3, we have to resolve that instant within 1 day. If it is a P4, we have to complete that particular incident within 2 days. Got it, everybody?
Yes, Sanjay. Is that
Yes.
fixed duration?
It's not like fixed. These are the default ones. So as per the organization, the duration will vary. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next, response. You can say response is also. Mostly response nobody asks. For resolution they will ask. So you can say if it is a response SLA. So we can say within how much time we have to respond for that particular incident. If it is a P1, we have to respond within 15 minutes. If it is a P2, we have to respond for that particular incident within 1 hour. If it is a P3, we have to respond within 4 hours. If it is a P4, we have to respond within 8 hours. If it is a P5, we have to respond within 40 hours. Got it, everybody? Yes. Now I'm going to instant table. I'm closing all the tab. 1 minute. So I'm closing all the tabs here. 1 minute. Create an SLA definition. I will note down this URL here for our reference. Copy. So I'm pasting URL here. Okay. And generally in the organizations, who will create this SLA definitions? Generally in the organizations, who will create an SLA definitions? So SLA definitions is created by our Servicenow architects. Got it? Who will create SLA definition? Servicenow architect need to create a SLA definitions. But in reality, they will not create an SLA definition. Okay, they will assign the task to us. Okay, even they will assign the task to us. Yes, we have to create a SLA definition finally. Got it, everybody?
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay. Yes. And basically they will guide us, and as per their guidance, we will create a SLAs definitions and all. And here you can see in interviews, they will ask, what is the default duration type? In SLA definition, we have user specified duration. Default duration type is user specified duration. What is the default schedule we have within SLA definition? We have 24/7. If the default one is no schedule, and it will run 24/7. Okay. Yes. Next, I'm going to instant table. I will create a one instant. So within by default within Servicenow, we have seen only this SLA definitions for instant table. If you want to create SLAs for any task based tables, as you can create. Okay. I think in one of my project, we created this SLAs for requested item table. Okay. Yes. So here I'm selecting color something. Show. Wait. Yes. Saying show. I'll say priority one or something. Test. I'm saying it. Now you can see whenever instant is created, it will automatically create a task SLA against this particular incident. It will automatically create a task SLA. Yes. You can scroll down. You can go to the related list. So you can see task SLA created or not, resolution SLA. Tell me guys.
Yes, sir.
Task SLA is created. And the time also started. So we have to complete this particular incident within 1 hour. Okay. So you can see how task SLA form should be like. So you can see this is the SLA definition. So this task SLA is related to this particular incident. Okay. Target is resolution. So it has started just now. Okay. This task SLA is started just now. So it will breach within 59 minutes. Okay. Got it, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So if this task, if we are not able to complete within 1 hour, if we are not able to complete this task within 1 hour, so we can say this SLA is breach. SLA is breach. That means within the given time, you are not able to complete the task. Got it? Within the given time, you are not able to complete the task. If SLA breach. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can see breach time. So within 59 minutes, this SLA will breach. Within this time period only, you have to complete. Within this time period only, you have to complete. Okay. Yes.
Breach means closing time.
No. Breach means 1 minute. Breach means
Target time.
yes, target time. Okay. Within that time.
If it breach, then what will happen? That is all.
It may be your performance issue. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. It may be your performance issue. So sometimes it comes under escalations also. If we are not completing task within the given time, it should be escalation to your manager also. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So within the given time, you have to complete the task, given task. For example, you can say, so 1 minute. So almost business elapsed time 0.36% we have completed almost. Wait, I'm refreshing this page again. You can see the updated time. So we already completed 3 minutes time on this particular task. Okay. For example, maybe you realize that and it is not a P1 instant you feel. Okay. You are changing the priority. Okay. You are changing the priority, for example. Okay. So maybe priority to 3. I will say priority to 3. 1 minute. Here also I will say 2. Priority is 3. For example, you are changing priority to 3. You can see what happens to task SLA. So the task SLA will cancel and P3 task SLA will automatically create under this incident. Okay, you can see. Wait. Created or not? You can see, guys. First one is cancelled. Okay.
Yes, and
And second one is created. This P3, if it is a P3 instance, you have to complete it within 1 day. Okay, within 1 day you have to complete. Within 1 day, this will breach. Okay, so you can see start time, what it is saying, start time. So from where start time is taken? From the previous task.
Stop time. Yes,
Yes,
from the
from the-
previous stop
okay.
time it has been.
So for calculating in between times, calculating in between these two task SLAs, so we are calling as retroactive start. Okay. So for example, maybe you need something from the user. You need something from the user. You are making this awaiting caller, on hold awaiting caller. Okay, and saving it. Then the task SLA will pause for some time. Okay, until you keep that task in progress state. Okay, got it. Now we kept this ticket on hold. Yes, so you can see our task SLA is, what happened to our task SLA? Passed or not? Yes, our task SLA is passed. Got it. Once you come back from the on hold state to other states, then again it will start. Wait, I'm saving it. And then you can see again it will start. So you can see again it is in progress. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? Any queries here? Okay, fine. So finally, this is about SLA. So if you have any queries, please ask me. Otherwise, I will go for CMDB basics.
And
Yes.
on relating to how we perform this SLA jobs, we can produce the reports, and can we produce?
Yeah, we can produce the reports. We also discussed about metrics, right? By using metrics, by using these task SLAs, we'll produce the reports, and we'll analyze the performance of the user also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you show how to produce reports on this SLA?
No, you can simply go to v/Sharna. You can create a report. How we created report in our previous section. So I will not create a report, but I will show you the path. Okay. So how we create a report in our previous class, same way we are going to create a report. Okay, got it?
I mean, అంటే యూజర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అనాలిసిస్ చేస్తామని అందుకు ఒకసారి
Right. Table. That table I'm selecting. Task underscore SLA. There is no description for this table to add it. So you can see so here maybe we have to activate some properties. That's why it is not appearing next button. Okay, like this we will create. Okay, so here we will.
I haven't entered the report name.
Oh my God! 1 minute. For example, I'm saying my instant data. Okay, fine. So next. So maybe I'm selecting bar. Next. Group by. So you can see group by each time created has incident also is there, right? Task. So each task contains only SLA. So here you can group by based upon maybe this task column. Okay, maybe this task assigned to. Okay, so all this, so we have to go for the advanced reporting. Okay, for example, if we go to the task, you can say task related fields. 1 minute is coming. Assigned to, you can see assigned to. Next, you can come here. You can see David Lou. We have 11 records. So these are empty ITL user, Beth, Fred Ludy. So these are basically these all are the assigned to persons, and So how many tickets they have assigned and all will appearing here. Okay. So, and if you want, you can also count the breach time and all here by external group, by start by. Okay. Has breach. Boss. Next. You can see. Okay. So you can see for David Lu. True. For David Lu. So this one more time clicking on this report. You can see these are still starting. Okay. These are still working on these instance.
Yeah.
So maybe that yellow color one has breached. I hope. Okay. Yes, Ram Krishna got it.
And yeah, I got it.
Okay, fine. So maybe if you want to create advanced reporting, yes, you can go there and you can create. You can select the fields whatever you require within that report. Okay. Yes. Any queries? No. Next, CMDB. CMDB stands for configuration management database. Configuration management database. So we'll go for the CMDB definition. So I'm closing all the tabs here. CMDB in Servicenow. So docs.servicenow. I'm looking for. So you can see the configuration management database application. You can build a logical representations of assets, logical representations of assets, services, and their relationships between them that comprise the infrastructure of your organization. Details about these components are stored in the CMDB, which you can use to monitor the infrastructure, helping ensure integrity, stability, and continuous service operations. Okay. CMDB application, you can build logical representations of assets, services, and the relationship between them that comprise the infrastructure of your organization. Details about these components are stored in the CMDB tables, which you can use the monitor the infrastructure, helping ensure integrity, stability, and continuous service operations. Okay. Use the core features such as CMDB health, CMDB identification and reconciliation, and CMDB CI lifecycle management to monitor and detect the health issues and reconcile data integrity issues and manage data lifecycle. Okay, this is CMDB definition. So basically, guys, within our organization, whatever we are using for our project, for example, within our organization, we are using 10 laptops, 1 projector, 1 desktop, 10 mobiles, maybe some softwares. All this information will be stored in the CMDB tables. Whatever we are using within the organization, everything will be stored in CMDB tables. How the data will capture into the CMDB tables by using the discovery and orchestration tools, it will capture in the CMDB database. Okay, got it, everybody? Any queries here? Any queries here?
No.
Okay, fine. CMDB table name is CMDB table name is CM_DB. Sorry, CMDB. CMDB table name is CMDB. Okay. CMDB is the base table. CMDB is a base table. Okay. Yes. Next, here we also need to discuss a configuration item. And we can also write the one point here. So here we are saying it will store the assets, services, and the relationship between them, that right? So that means that we are calling as configuration item. Anything which we are using in our IT service, calling as configuration item. Okay, laptop is one configuration item. Maybe Microsoft Office. Yes, that is one configuration item. Eclipse IDE, one configuration item. Projector, one configuration item, like that. Okay. CMDB stores information about configuration items. Or configuration items. Configuration item we are using for IT services. Okay, you can also say like this. CMDB stores information and relationship between the configuration item we are using for the IT service. Okay. Yes. Next, configuration item. What is configuration item? 1 minute, we don't know. What is configuration item? Configuration item is anything which is involved in IT service. Configuration item is anything which is involved in IT service. Okay. So here you can say. One minute, here we don't have definition. These all are the attributes in this configuration item table. Okay. 1 minute, I'm looking for definition. Yeah, maybe in the instant definition we have configuration item. So configuration item is anything which is involved in IT service. Okay. Also we don't have. Yeah, I will note down. Configuration item is anything which is involved in IT service. Okay. Service, it's like laptop, desktop, applications, softwares, etc. Okay, guys, this is configuration item definition. Next, this is configuration item definition. Next, you can see what is the configuration item table name? Configuration item table name is CMDB_CI. Okay, configuration item table name is CMDB_CI. And this configuration item table is extended from the CMDB table. Okay, configuration item table should be extended from the CMDB table. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes or no? Within this configuration item table, we have many tables are there. Now you can come to here and you can configuration management, configuration. 1 minute. So you can see So I'm coding this one. So here you can see under configuration, we have CA class manager. You can go to here. Under configuration, we have CA class manager. Okay, navigation is under configuration. We have CA class manager. This is the navigation to see all the classes in the CMDB table. So here class means table. Okay, each class represents a one table. Got it, everybody? Each class represents a one table. 1 minute, it's loading. And here you can see under configuration, we have many modules. So here you can see CMDB groups, query builder. We come to here. So so application services, you can see Tomcat, JBoss. So if you see the servers, Linux, Windows. So these are our servers and clusters, database servers, database instances. So database catalogs and network related, load balancer related, data center related. So next infrastructure services, VMware, next Hyper-V, KVM. So these all are the one model, each model represents one separate table. You can see computer peripherals, computer softwares. Okay, we have many things here. Okay, we have many things here. You can see. CA relation. These are the relationship related tables. Yes. Here we have CA class manager. If we go to the hierarchy, you can see almost we have 2,784 configuration tables are there. Okay, no, records. These are the records. We go to the cluster. 1, 2, 3. So you can see almost we have 2,784 configuration items are there within this default service for instance. Here you can see we have almost .NET application, Active Directory application. So these all are the configuration item. Each class will define the new table. For example, I want to check computer table. So you can say computer class. Yes, we have almost 855 records are there. So I'm clicking on computer. So you can say this is basic information about the computer. So if you want to add child classes, we have to add here. We want to see the attributes of this class, computer class. Okay, these all are the attributes of computer class. Identification rules, these are the rules, reconciliation rules, suggested relationships. So you can see this is a we can say relationships within this computer. This computer have relationship with this ESX server, rack, service, computer cluster, and all. Okay. So again, here we have different visualization. So maybe it is horizontal one. Okay. Next, if you want to see the all relationship tools, it should be like this. These all are the relationship tools. Health. So completeness, correctness, CA list, configuration items list. Wait, these all are the configuration, computer related configuration items. So, okay, these all are the computer related configuration items. So from this, I'm opening one record. 1 minute. So maybe I will open this one in new tab. You can see how it looks like. The computer table name is CMDB underscore CI underscore computer. We have business application, CMDB underscore CI underscore business underscore app. The table name should be like this. Okay. So this is the computer table name here. Okay. So this is the computer table name. It looks like this. So these all are the attributes, computer related attributes. OS domain, operating system, disk space. Okay, got it, everybody. Yes, so here we have hierarchy also. Dependency views. Here you can see, we already seen that a graphical representation, right? Wait, within the dependency view, it will show some graphical representation. Wait, it's loading. So you can see. So if any device is connected with this computer, it will appear all the connections here. For this record, we don't have any relationships here. That's why it is not showing. Okay. If you want to add relationship, yes, immediately it will show in this within the graph. Here you can see in the dependency views, we have different types: vertical, horizontal, radical, force groups. Okay, with details. So we have many dependency view types are there here. Okay, yes. Next, maybe I'm also opening another one. Wait. Apart from computer. Right. Configuration item. Again, I'm going to hierarchy. Maybe here I'm checking for business application. Recently, I worked with business application table. That's why I remember. So business application. So there is no records in the business application. Okay. So these all are we have so many tables with this CMDB. Each CMDB class represents one new table. So if you go to the tables, you can go to the tables, and under system definition, we have tables. Yes, here you can type extends table is CMDB. Wait, starts with update name. I'm going now. Extends tables, table name starts with CMDB. Why it is showing only 4 tables? No, not extends tables actually. So in the name itself, you can type CMDB. You can see we have many CMDB related tables. Almost you can see how many tables we have. Almost 900 CMDB tables we have. Okay, 900 CMDB tables have. For example, hardware. If you want hardware table, yes, here you can type hardware. Then you are able to see hardware table. If you want to see the computer table name, yes, you can type filter computer. If you want to see business application table, yes, you can business application. If you want database servers, if you want operating systems, if you want Linux servers, yes, whatever you want, you can search here. The table name will appear for you. Okay, here each and every table mostly extended from the CMDB underscore CI table. Okay, here it is not showing. All are you can see. Here it is not showing table name backend names. 1 minute configuration. Wait. So you can see these are all tables are extended from the CMDB underscore CI table. Okay, so circuit, load balancer interface, print quiz, data center zone, group, cluster. So data center, operating systems, next accessory, memory module, database, software, patch, outlet, storage expert. We have many classes are there. Okay. So next. So up to here, you have any queries? So basically, the CMDB we will use the CMDB along with the ITOM module. Mostly, we will use the CMDB module with the ITOM module. The CMDB we will use mostly with the ITOM because if we want to auto-populate the data into the CMDB tables, we require the discovery and orchestration. Okay, with that, we'll auto-populate the data. So we have lot of things with this CMDB. Okay, so we just learning the basics within our class. So if you want to learn more and more about CMDB, you can go to the Now Learning portal or YouTube videos. You can go there. You have number of videos, maybe almost 10 hours or 5 hours videos also there. Okay. Yes, as of now, with 3 years experience for a Servicenow interview, for going for interview, yes, this is enough. Okay, yes. And so next, in interview questions, I mentioned one question: what is CMDB baseline? We'll note down that definition also. Baseline. What is CMDB baseline in Servicenow? The CMDB baseline provides the capabilities that help you to understand the control the changes that have been made to your configuration item in the CMDB. Okay. Yes. So in one interviews, they have asked what is CMDB baseline. That's why I have mentioned. So you can see CMDB baseline provides the capabilities that help you to understand and control the changes that have been made to your configuration item in the CMDB. Okay, this is CMDB baseline definition. Next. So we already discussed about flow designer. We already discussed about flow designer theory part. Now I'm going to create a, where is, yes, here we have flow designer. Wait. Okay, here now I'm going to create a one flow designer within our class. Okay, yes. Saving it. Now I'm going to flow designer here. You can type flow designer. Nowadays, everyone asking for flow designer questions asked in interviews. That's why I'm explaining this concept. Previously, I haven't explained this. For the previous batches, we don't have flow designer concept. But nowadays in interviews, they're asking about flow designer. So even if you want to learn flow designer full-fledgedly, okay. So in the now learning, we have separate course. In the now learning, we have separate course available. So you can go to that and you can try to complete the course. Even if you go to the YouTube, so maybe whatever we discuss within our class only, you will get. Yes, it's loading. Flow designer is loading. So what is the navigation for flow designer? Under process automation, we have flow designer. So yes, here already written. Again, I'm writing. Okay. So 1 minute, maybe I will try to copy that flow designer content again to here. Okay. Okay, yes. Under process automation, we have flow designer. Maybe you can say it is opening. Yes, it is loading as still. You can see we have flow designer. So here we have many flow designs are available. Here we have many flow designs are available. Maybe I'm going to open a one existing flow designer. What we can open? Maybe standard change or normal change implementation related flow designer. I'm opening it. You can see how it looks like. As it's loading. You can see how the flow designer looks like. The flow designer will looks like as flow chart. So it should be like this. So you can see. Here we have multiple connections and all. Now I'm going to create a flow designer. Now I'm going to create a flow designer, our new flow designer for creating an instance. Okay. So if you go here, we have new flow, new subflow, we have action. First of all, I'm going to create a flow. So my flow designer name is create incident. Okay. I'm submitting it. Create instance. My flow designer name is create instance. So if you are opening flow designer first time, okay, you can go to the take tool. You can go to the take tool. So they will explain each and every point. So trigger point. So you can say next, automate with actions and flow logic. Next, make it dynamic. Next, save and test and activate. Okay. Yes. So for example, when to create a incident, for example, I'm adding trigger point here when this flow designer need to execute. I'm clicking on add trigger. So I want to create one instant daily. That's why I'm selecting schedule daily. Okay. So I want to create one instant from the flow designer daily. So at what time it has to create? So my time is America. 6:35 p.m. 6:35 p.m. means it is a 24 hours format. 12 plus 6, 18:35. Okay. For example, here I'm saying 18:35. Maybe I'm saying 18:40. Okay. Maybe I'm saying 18:40. Yes. Now this flow designer daily will execute at 18:40. Okay. Yes. Now next we have to create a actions. Yes, you can click on action. Okay, you can click on action here. Okay. Yes, what you are going to perform. I want to create a record. So you can see we have create record. Okay. Yes, I selected create record. On which table you are going to create a record? Wait. Yes, on which table you are going to create a record? On instant table, I'm going to create a record. Okay, what are the fields you are planning to keep? Caller. 1 minute. So maybe caller is Anji user. Okay. And I want to add short description. In the short description, I'm saying I'm from Florida. Okay. Yes. I simply added one create record action. I'm done. Okay. Like this, if you want to add whatever you want to add, yes, you can. Flow logic means it will reference to the so you can say some conditions. Flow logic contains some conditional activities for each, do, while, make decision making, try, catch, call a workflow, wait for duration time. Okay, subflow means it is also wait. 1 minute. Yes. So if we selected by default, we selected something by mistake. Okay, so you can say subflow means it is also existing flow. If you want to select some existing flow, yes, it will show here. Okay, add pause, application template. Here we have many things, guys. Here we have many things you have to learn. We simply in our class learning some basic things about this. Okay, so we have many things to learn about flow designer also. Almost it contains 10 hours, 5 hours course. Individually, we are able to see in the Udemy or from the YouTube or from the Now Learning portal. Okay, so whatever we are learning here, it will be helpful for our interview with some 3 years experience. Okay. Yes, we have successfully created flow designer. I simply added only one action here. Maybe in real time, we have to add multiple actions as per the organizational requirement. Okay. Yes. I'm saving this flow designer first of all. I'm saving this flow designer first of all. Yes, I have saved. Now I'm activating this flow designer. I'm activating this flow designer. Okay. Yes. Once you activated this flow designer, so it will automatically execute daily at the given time at given time. First of all, I'm testing from here. You can see I'm clicking on test, run test. That means it will create a one instant record. Yes, view test, your test has finished running, view the flow execution details. You can see here we are able to see the flow execution details. Record is created. Okay. If you click on this create record, it will show everything. So how it is executed or not. You can see here one instant record is also created. Ends with 1049. Incident. I'm going to ask. You can see I'm from Florida. Created or not instant? Yes or no? Just now created. And if we made that time, we made that given time, at that time also it will create, at that time also it will create one instant record. On it, you can see the time. 6:40. We have given time also 6:40, right? Yes, maybe it will create one record now. Yes, created or not, just now. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, guys.
Yes, Sanjay.
Yeah, short description also you can send from ProDesigner. Okay. Yes, my explanation is completed, and I'm deactivating this ProDesigner. Then it will not execute until you activate it. Okay. If you keep this in active mode, so daily it will execute and daily it will create a one instant record. Okay, this is one sample flow designer execution. Okay. Any queries here? Tell me. Any queries?
What is the use case for flow designer, Anji? Like
Yeah, you
in
can
the
see.
organization?
Yeah, so we have many use cases. So for example, within our organization, I want to create one instant record daily at 7:10 a.m. Daily at 7:10 a.m. I want to create one instant record. Okay, this is the use case we have created. For example, so for example, if your instant state changed to in progress, you have to send one email notification to somebody in the organization. Okay, maybe if your instant is closed, you have to you have to start some flow designer. Okay, we have many cases. Got it, Ramakrishna?
Yeah, Anji. Like we are, I mean, we are not writing a code and we are just designing a flow designer
Yeah,
to.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Here we don't require to write the code that much. Okay,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. So any queries from this example? And
Flow designers both are same or different, Anji?
sorry.
Workflow and flow designer both
So
are different.
basically, flow designer is the advanced to workflows. Okay, the functionality is same. Flow designer will automate the work. Workflow also will automate the work. Okay, in the workflows, we will use some scripting and all. In the flow designer, we will use less coding. Okay, so compare with workflow, flow designer is the advanced one, and it contains the many features.
Many features, okay. They
Yes.
added many features for the flow design.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm stopping class here. You have any queries, please ask me. So tomorrow we have Sunday and we have class. So within the class, I will explain JavaScript basics. It's very important class to understand the development classes. Okay. If you are missed tomorrow class, maybe your development will not get, you will not get the development. Okay, please try to attend tomorrow class. Okay, and yes, you have any queries, please let me know, we'll discuss. So from the entire administration, I hope we have completed entire administration. Okay, so I'm going to Servicenow syllabus once. Yes, we have completed SLA CMDB reports, also completed database views, performance analytic definition, flow designer basics. Finally, we have completed administration. Tomorrow I will start with development. Okay. Any queries from here, from the administration? Tell me, guys. So tomorrow I will tell you the JavaScript basics, and then after Monday I will start with client script versus server side scripts and client scripts. Within the day Monday we will cover these two. Yes.
Anji, is ITOM is as same as ITSM, Anji?
No, ITOM has different. ITSM is related to ticketing system. ITOM is completely different from ITSM. Okay.
Yeah, ITOM deals with what, Anji?
ITOM deals with operation. ITOM stands for operational management, and it deals with the configuration items and the organization. It deals with health. It deals with mid servers. We have many things with ITOM. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So, you are entry to service now. Okay, you are entry to service now. First of all, you have to learn administration, development, and ITSM modules. You have to work for 3 years like that, 3 to 4 years. Then after you have to move for another module. Not only ITOM, we have CSM, HRSD, PPM, business management. We have many things. Okay. If you get in the organization, they will definitely teach you how to do the ITOM. Okay.
And yeah, yeah.
Yes. We have 4 minutes time. Yes, guys. So please, any queries? So any suggestions or any feedback for me from entire administration classes? Tell me, guys. Yes.
You are great, and you are explaining everything pin to point.
Okay.
We are understanding well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, no.
There is
Any changes you required from my end, like that? That kind of feedback I require. Okay, fine. So I have provided assignments, multiple assignments, OS storage. And is everybody completed OS storage? Hmm?
no, and yeah, I will complete it today.
Yeah, okay. Please try to complete. So from that, you will not understand all the points, okay, from that document. Maybe you are able to do only up to 8 to 10 points only you are able to do. Okay, you can try to complete only those points. So remaining we don't require. Maybe after scripting you have to do remaining things. Okay. So if you are
Okay.
talking about some mini project means it contains all the concepts, right? That's what maybe you are able to do up to 10 points only from the document. Okay, fine. So this meeting will end in 3 minutes. You have any queries? Please tell me. Okay, guys, thank you all. So we'll meet tomorrow, okay, with the JavaScript basics. Thank you so much. So maybe, guys, so if my JavaScript basics was not completed, maybe 10 to 20 minutes extra time also I will take. Is it okay for everyone?
Fine, and
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Happy weekend.